So this is the before and this is the after. So this is the before and this is the after. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can upscale, restore and enhance your photos using HitPaw Photopea. So let's get started. So this is the homepage of HitPaw Photopea. The link is available in the description. Here you will find a lot of different tools, but in this video we are going to focus on the image enhancer. Just click on Enhance Photos. From here you can upload your images, and on the right side you will see multiple AI tools that we'll test one by one. First, I have a photo here. I've cropped out a blurry face and uploaded it. As you can see, the face is extremely blurry, and now I'll show you how to restore it. Go to Face Restoration, where you'll find 4 different AI models designed for different scenarios. I'm selecting the realistic model so the restored face looks natural and not overprocessed. Then set the strength to high and click on Preview. Now just look at the result. The face is completely restored with sharp details and it looks incredibly natural without any weird artifacts. This makes the image perfectly usable again, and honestly, the level of detail it recovers is very impressive. Now I have another image that has a lot of noise and poor quality, so I want to upscale it. I'll go to AI Upscale, set it to 8x and keep it on the generative model for better detail reconstruction. After that, I'll move to the Enhancement tab, enable the denoise option and set it to realistic denoise. Then click on Preview. The result looks amazing. The image becomes much sharper, cleaner and more high quality, and all the noise is removed beautifully while still keeping the details intact. It doesn't just upscale the image, it actually enhances it in a very smart way. Now let's restore an old photo. I have an old image with lot of cracks, grains and damage. I'll go to Repair and Colorize. Here you'll find multiple AI models for different restoration needs like group photo restoration and advanced restoration for heavily damaged images. I'll choose High Quality Restore and click on Generate. The result is honestly surprising. The AI not only restores the image but also adds natural colors, removes scratches and brings the photo back to life. Just look at the hair and clothes. Everything is restored so accurately and naturally that it almost feels like a modern photo. However, I think the quality could be improved a bit more, so I'll enhance it further. I'll upload the restored image again, go to the enhancer and select Portrait Enhancer. There are other options as well for different scenarios, but this works best for faces. Then click on Generate. Now look at the final result. The eyes, lips, and overall facial details look super realistic, and the image no longer feels like an old photo at all. It looks clean, sharp, and professionally enhanced. Now if I click on the toolbox, we get some really interesting AI features like AI Canvas, AI Generator, and AI Photo Editor. Let me explain how they actually work. Let's go to the AI Photo Editor. Upload your image here, and the main difference between the enhancer and the editor is that in the editor, you don't just get enhancement tools, you also get a full toolbox for editing. You can upscale images, enhance them, remove backgrounds, replace objects in the picture like object removal and background editing. You also get basic adjustment options like color correction, filters, and background styles, which you can try depending on your image. Click on AI Canvas and upload your image here. Once the image is uploaded, select it and you will see multiple options like AI upscaling, background removal, and more. But here I'm going to click on Chat mode. Now you can either use the brush tool and paint over the area you want to edit, or erase the extra parts if needed. But what I'm going to do is use the box selection tool and create a box around the exact area I want to change. Then I'll type a simple command like change the ice cream color to blue and click on generate. And just look at this result, it actually changes the ice cream color so naturally, including proper lighting and shadows. This is the power of AI Canvas, where you can do this kind of smart and realistic editing in just a few seconds without manual Photoshop work. Next, we have AI Generator, and this is basically an AI image creation tool. Here you can upload an image or even multiple reference images and then write your prompt. After that, you can select from different image models, including some advanced premium models that are available inside the tool. Once everything is set, just click on generate and the result you get is honestly outstanding. You can further upscale it or simply download it directly if you're happy with it. The same concept also works for text to image. You just write your prompt, choose between different AI models, select your aspect ratio and click generate. And again, it produces very impressive results that look high quality and professional. HitPaw Photopea is easily one of the best AI image enhancers available right now for upscaling, enhancement, and photo restoration. It delivers high quality results with minimal effort, and the AI does an excellent job in every scenario. If you want to improve your photos or restore old memories, definitely give it a try. The link is available in the description.